All right, we're in the barn. He's on the cross ties again. The cart is behind him. Usually it sits a little differently than that, but we're cleaning things, so can you step over, please? Get over. Get over. Good boy. And he's tied up. He knows he can't go anywhere. So I can bring the shafts down. They obviously are not scaring him. I can put them in the tugs. Unfortunately, this harness has gig tugs, which means they slide from side to side. So when I put them in on one side, it pulls it all the way to the other side. And now, here he is with that cart behind him. And it's moving a little bit. And as you can see by the look on his face, he doesn't care. Yeah, it's about time to go for a drive soon, huh? Yes. Yes, we'll be going for a drive soon. That's a good boy. See, he's moving, he's comfortable with it. It's all okay. Yep, it's all okay. So now the exciting part is getting it out of there without dropping the cart, which I do for them. Whoa, son. Whoa. Gee, that sure startled him a lot. And shafts back up. And he comes out as a champ.